we have a proposal for you. We hear that you're trying to find a space for your 2 species of nesting birds. We have a proposal. We have a plot of land that is 180,000 meters squared. Your X species takes up 120 meters squared, while your Y species takes up 90 meters squared. Now, we want to make sure that both species have enough room, but we want to get as many of the types of species on your land as possible. So we put it into this equation. 120x plus 90y is less than or equal to 180,000.
Now you're probably worried about food because you don't want your birds to starve because that'd be really bad. So we figured that out for you. There are only 72,000 kilograms of food in this area, and we know that your X species eats 39.6 kilograms, and your Y species eats 69.6 kilograms. And to also simplify that, we put it into an equation. 39.6x plus 69.6y is less than or equal to 72,000.
Now, you're wondering how these equations have anything to do with us figuring out how many pairs we can get onto your land. Well, we put it into this graph, and by looking at the vertices, you can see how many of the species can fit into each category in order to give you the optimal number of birds.
So first, you can say that you can just eliminate all of your birds, and you can just have 0 of each kind, but that's kind of bad.
Yeah.
Or you can have 1,500 of one kind and 0 of the other.
That's pretty bad too.
Or you could have 0 of one kind and 1,100 of the other. Or you could just be smart and have 1,263 of one kind and 315 of the other.
This gives us a grand total of 1,578 nesting pairs in your whole plot of land. And that's a lot of nesting pairs.
That's so many birds!
Yes! And we have made it. The equation of the century. Love, Amy, Chloe, and Lauren.